welcome back. This is Art for All and my name is Sandra. Today I'm going to show you how to make something like this. Or maybe this. So if you would like to join in today, you're going to need a list of equipment like this. And when you're ready, let's start making. So first you're going to need two pieces of cardboard. Mine are square, but it doesn't matter. Need to be the same size. Then you need to choose your theme. I'm going to choose the rabbit today to show you. So pop you up there. And so first of all, you're going to have to draw around your shape, like so. And then you're going to need a responsible person to help you use a knife and cut it. You need to cut it out like this. And then take it out like that. Then we're going to paint it using a roller. So something like this. I'm just going to white paint. Yeah, you want the paint all the way around. After you rolled it, you need to dry it. So you leave it to dry, or you can use a hairdryer. Okay, to dry it. Next, your second cardboard on there. You're going to have to glue some of this. You want to use lots of glue, especially near your shape. Just that up. Keep going, lots of glue. Press down. And when that's dry, it's ready. So that bit's a step, that bit. And we are going to pour some glue. And you can use clear glue or white. So this one, that's a clear glue. White, yeah. This one, I'm going to pour in some of the clear glue. I can do this. few there. Hold that up like that. Try that. Go on a good amount. So got to move the glue so it runs all in the corners. So it's gone on the edge there, so I'll just take that off. Scrape that back in there. And that's falling in quite nicely. Sorry. Like that. Keep that in there. Keep the glue inside the shape. Right, so that's all in now. Next, I'm going to use some paint and drip it in. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to use 3 colours will be enough, and these are gloss acrylic paints, quite thin, and they'll drip and mix nicely. So here we go. You can see. We had some yellow. And I think, what have we done in there? Do some pink, I think, for this one. Then you need this. It's like an ice cream stick to swirl. I'm going to swirl like that. I'll just hold this up a little bit. Mixing that around. There. Now that must stay flat to dry. It's going to run out, so keep it flat. Then afterwards it will be like this. This one a little bit different. Squeezed in the glue. And then dropped in beads, hammer beads. These. And then you drop them in, leave it to dry overnight again, flat, and then it will look like that. Yeah. If you join in and you make something similar like this, please share your work with me. We have a Facebook page and an Instagram page, and I would absolutely love to see what you make at home. Bye.